Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. Stocks were mostly higher to kick off the week. The Dow and S&P 500 each closed at new all-time highs with gains of 2 0.3%. The Nasdaq also added 0.3%. The Russell was the lone laggard, closing down 0.3%. Energy and consumer discretionary sectors rallied the most, each gaining 1.3%. Real estate closed up 1.1%. Healthcare, meanwhile, lost 0.25%. Communication services and technology each closed down 0.1%. Turning to some stocks on the move, Intel was a winner on a Bloomberg report that Apollo Global Management offered to make an equity-like investment of as much as $5 billion in the company. This comes amid reports that Qualcomm is interested in buying the struggling chipmaker. Intel shares are down 55% so far this year, but gained more than 3% today. General Motors slipped 1.7% after Bernstein downgraded the automaker to market perform from outperform with a $53 price target. GM is also laying off workers at a Kansas plant. 1,400 full-time workers will be temporarily laid off, while 250 temporary employees will be terminated. GM is investing $390 million to retool the plant to build its new Chevy Bolt EVs. Employees will be placed on a temporary layoff until production resumes in mid-2025. Palantir closed up at a new 52-week high during its first day of trading on the S&P 500. This despite a downgrade from Raymond James to market perform from outperform. The analyst remains enthusiastic about Palantir's longer-term positioning in AI, but said shares need to consolidate stellar gains over the last couple of years and grow into its rich valuation. Shares are up more than 120% so far this year. Let's take a look at tomorrow's economic calendar. We'll get fresh data on consumer confidence as well as the Case-Shiller Home Price Index. And on the earnings front, AutoZone reports before the opening bell. KB Home reports after the bell. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.